Hi guys, Robert Rivera here with the Rivera Trading Group, and this is the weekly recap. This is weekly recap number 71. We start the week with GBP USD, a trade setup that I sent out to the team on Sunday night. We have a beautiful consolidation after this drop. We take notice of the golden zone that's just above it, and the 50 moving average that is crashing down pretty quickly. This is what came of it. It faked out at the bottom, which would have been a beautiful entry from the bottom on the 15-minute, but it pushed up, broke out, retested, and gave 26 pips breakout with retest zero drawdown. I believe that same night I sent out this gold setup to the Spanish team. The price had already broken out from the bottom. We're looking for a retest of the zone and a potential drop, and this is what we got. We only got 23 pips, but that's not bad for a Monday night, and we were out of there. Okay, now starting with the 28th, this is the setup that I sent out to the London team, even though I was trading in the morning with the New York team. And so this is the results from this beautiful consolidation on GBP/JPY. It broke out, retested, and took off. I thought for sure it was going to reach the supply zone up there, but it didn't. That's for 101 pips, breakout, retest, zero drawdown. We got a lot of zero drawdowns this week. This is gold from the same night. Again, beautiful consolidation. This went out to the Spanish team, and we have a breakout, we have a retest, and a drop for 78 pips, 780 points or 78 pips with zero drawdown. Then we had the very first New York live trading session for Team Take Profits, and it had already moved quite a bit, right, the night before. It had moved up on the first initial move there, leaving a demand zone, then it pushed up again, leaving another demand zone, and now it's consolidating up here. Look, it's kind of dangerous to take a third push up. However, if any trade was going to be taken today, it had to be considered because of the buy, that is, because it was so bullish. We took a look at the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, everything was pushing bullish. And again, we follow price action. You know, we don't follow what we perceive or what we think. We just watch what it does. And this is the result. Price broke out and just kept going. We took this live, and I don't believe that we were in drawdown at any time, because we put this was a buy stop at the buy zone, and it just went straight into profit and never really slowed down until it paid us that beautiful 1-to-1. That same night, I believe I sent out this gold setup. Let me see what happened with this gold setup, because I don't remember. It broke out, retested for 580 points or 58 pips with the 7-pip drawdown, which was this tiny little move over here. But as you can tell, never in danger until you were already very significantly in profit. Following that, this is the trade setup that went out for the London team, because I'm still sending out the London setups, by the way, guys. Still sending out the London setups. Why not? I know it very well. It's something that the team can take advantage of. And then it also gives me a framework from which to start working the New York in the morning. Here, this was a unique situation because this broke out early in the evening, right? It was consolidating here in the bottom, and it broke out into this second tier here. And I marked both sections just in case it broke the top or it broke the bottom, and the team knew kind of idea where to take their profits or where to get in. And this is what ended up happening. I don't see in this situation a potential entry other than taking a sell here, an immediate sell, because you did recognize perhaps that this was a bearish flag. You could have taken this breakout as it was happening. However, since I was not present there, and I don't see a retest here, and I don't see a retest at the bottom, I would have to conclude that there was really no trade to be taken in this beautiful, beautiful drop. Now, I know some people could have taken advantage of it, and if I had been live with the team, perhaps I could have taken advantage of it with them. But to me, this is a no entry. This is a no entry day. Okay, moving on. We also had this beautiful head and shoulders also that same evening, potential head and shoulders, that is, but that head and shoulders never pan out. Price never broke out. Price never broke out of the zone, so no problem. We move on to the next day. That basically turned out to be a no trade day as far as I'm concerned for the London. And then this is New York. I believe this is the following morning. Yes, this is the following morning. This is the New York session. and I sent this out to the Spanish team. This is what we got, a very clean breakout. In fact, I believe this is the one we took. I think we took this out because we were waiting on GBP JPY, and GBP JPY was not moving, and so we ended up heading over to gold, where we took the breakout. I think we might have been in drawdown maybe 5 pips at one point here. Again, maybe these 5 pips right here, as it then went out and went to pay us. Following that, we have GBP JPY also on the 2nd. And this was actually from the London session. Yeah, this is from the London session. It broke out, retested, dropped for 30 pips with a 6 pip drawdown. And then GBP JPY during the New York. This was actually a very nice trade, but I messed up on this trade. I missed on this because I was on the sell from the top over here when this attempted to break out. And then this, I had to endure this drawdown, which was my stop loss. My stop loss was just above, and as soon as this green candle broke above the previous one, I just went ahead and got out, and this actually paid. This actually would have never hit my stop loss, but it paid. But I took an L on that, and I'm not sure what the team did because I had already closed the session. So it broke out, retested, and dropped for 25 pips. But to me, this is an L. I took an L on that one. And then the final trade of the week, GBP JPY on Friday. Even though I was not trading live, my wife was having surgery, so I was there with her. But I sent this out, and this never actually broke out. And so for the week, we have a total of 290 pips with a positive with 19 pip drawdown. Not bad at all. 9 wins, 1 loss. That is me taking my L for an 89% win rate, and that's an 8% net gain. If all you did was take our trades and take them 1-to-1, then that was an 8% net gain for the week. Not too shabby. And again, I encourage everybody who's looking for a community of traders, a community where you can learn how to trade. You will be encouraged, uplifted, given trading psychology, and given really everything that you need from the very beginning all the way through advanced. Come join us at Team Take Profits, because I don't believe you can find better value anywhere else. Okay, that's it for today. God bless you all. Bye-bye.